Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adriana. This is my first video, guys. I'm so excited and I'm freaking nervous, but you know, this is the first look that I'm actually doing for my channel. I did post this look on my Instagram a couple weeks ago and everybody loved it, so I thought it would be a good idea to kind of like show you guys exactly how I do it. It was super simple, very easy to do. I will put all the products I use down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not following me on Instagram, go and add me. My name is allured_by_Adriana. Please give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see how I got this look done, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the primer that I'm going to be using is from Anastasia, and it's their eye primer, which I'm just going to be putting it all over my lid. I usually use a beauty blender to spread it all over my eyelid, and then a brush to kind of put it close enough to my eyebrow. Then I'm going to be using the Colourpop palette. So I'll be going in with the Morphe brush M433. And I'm using the brightest yellow. Pretty much just putting it all over my inner corner. Then I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe M456 and grabbing some of the bright orange that is also on this palette and just packing it right next to the yellow. And pretty much what you're going to want to do is go back and forth with the yellow brush that you used and the orange brush, just to kind of blend it out and make it a little bit more seamless. And then you're going to apply the third color, which I used the bright pink of the palette. On this one I did use the orange brush to kind of go back and forth. And then I got a clean brush and pretty much just kind of blend it out. So I'm actually going to be getting the turquoise color from the palette now. And I'm just going to pack it in the inner corner of the eye. Packing it as much as you want, that way it's as bright as you want. And then I'm actually going to be going in with the blue as well. And I'm going to be getting the Blue Moon palette to kind of make it a little bit more blue, so it kind of stands out from the green color. And then I'm actually going to be getting the Mint to Be palette to make it a little bit more green as well. And then you pretty much just blend them together as much as possible. You want to go back and forth like you did on the previous eye. Remember, you kind of need a brush for every single eyeshadow color, that way you can go back and forth. So then the next color, I'm actually mixing both purples that are in the Colorful palette, and then I'm adding it to the outside corner. And you pretty much just want to keep going back and forth with that blue and that purple. Then you want to get a flat brush and also add the same colors that you added on the top and the bottom waterline. The bottom line, the eyeliner bottom, that part. I totally went blank. So then you apply the same colors that you had on the top and the bottom waterline, and once you do that, then you pretty much grab a different brush and you blend that out, and you kind of connect it to the top of your eyeshadow as well. And then I went in with the Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Liner. I also applied lashes from Unique Beauty in the style MILF. No lashes. Lashes? No lashes. Lashes make a difference. Hopefully you guys like this tutorial. I know this is kind of my first time doing this. I will get better, but please leave any comments down below. Oh my god, I feel so weird saying this. I know I'm gonna try to at least upload one video a week. I'm trying to shoot for every Tuesday if possible. Please leave any comments down below as far as what type of videos you guys would like me to be uploading, and please give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications. That way you know when I will be uploading the next video, guys. All right, thank you. Bye.